everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I do my nails at home with no acrylic, and they last for 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything else that you might want to see me do on my channel, and please press the subscribe button as well. If you want to see how I did my nails at home, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna be showing you all how I do my nails at home. I've been doing my nails at home for about 2 years now, so I'm gonna show you everything that I use to do my nails. I use press-ons, and the reason why they're like written on, I already sized them up and you know, have them all separated for what fits my nails. But this is the beauty and salon nail art, everything that well, yeah, I got this from Amazon and I also got this UV light from Amazon as well, so I'll be using that for the gel polish. I'll be using this Gorilla Super Glue to put the press-ons on. This literally makes it stay on for like 2 weeks or longer. So that is my secret there. I'm not telling anyone to use this because obviously this is not meant for your nails. So if you decide to do this, if you decide to use this, use it at your own risk. You know, I haven't had any problems myself using this, so there's that. I will be using this gel top coat. It is called Beetles Gel Polish Top It Off. Also got that from Amazon. This is the nail color that I'll be using from OPI. I got this from Marshall's for $4. And I'm going to be using this gold leaf right here. I got this from Michael's. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start putting the press-ons on. And yeah, I've already prepped my nails, pushed the cuticles back and took away the shine. So I like this application just because it has a brush on it, so it's easier to apply. So just put some on, and then take the nail. Now the way I like to put it on is I'll start like at the cuticle area to kind of push it into the cuticle, and then make sure it's straight also, and then press it down for about 15 seconds or so. And then I'm just gonna do that for the rest of the nails. Typically for the thumbnail, I do have to file down the sides a little bit just to get it to fit my thumbnail a little bit better, so I'm just doing that right now. So after I finish applying all of the press-ons to my nails, I'll take this like multi-sided file thingy for your nails. I know it looks a little bit old, but it still works. I'll take this side and I'll just start to buff away the shine, because I don't want the shine on there for when I start to paint my nails. So just gonna do that right now. Okay, so after all of that is we have all the shine off of the nails, I'm gonna get these little tag thingy bars or whatever off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and file that down. Since these are already shaped like the shape that I wanted, really all I have to do, I feel like, is just a little bit of shaping for the thumb, just because it's a little bit bigger, like for my thumbnail. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of shaving for the thumb, a little bit of shaping for the thumb, and that's really it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the polish and start painting my nails. This is the first coat, so I'm going to put it under the lamp for 3 minutes because I just want to do it for 3 minutes. Okay, so I went ahead and applied a second coat of that color and cured that for 3 minutes and 3 minutes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this gel top coat and apply that on all the nails and cure that. Okay, so after doing that coat, I'm going to cure that for 2 minutes. All right, so now I'm gonna be showing you all how I apply the gold leaf to my nails. I'm gonna take that top coat again and just apply a thin layer to the nail. And then just gonna take this old brush that I obviously use for gold leaf and use it to pick it up and just kind of place it wherever I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the rest of my nails and I'll be right back. So I ended up moving the gold leaf around a little bit, so I wanted to show you guys a nail where I am doing that. I just felt like it was just, I don't know, just wasn't looking like how I really wanted it to look. So just gonna It's the beauty of, I feel like using gold leaf. It's just so, you know, freestylish. You can just kind of do whatever you want with it. After I finish doing all the gold leaf on each hand, I'm going to cure that for 1 minute. Okay, and then after I finish curing that, I'm going to put, yes, you guessed it, another coat of the gel top coat, just to seal in the design. And then I'm going to cure that for 2 minutes. So I decided that I want to add some of this blue glitter in some of these like sparse areas, just to give it a little bit more, you know, of something. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put another, I know I'm using a lot of this top coat, but you know, I'm just kind of winging it right now. So I'm gonna do like a thin layer though of this top coat. Alright, so I'm just gonna do that to the rest of the nails and I will be right back. So I went ahead and I did my other hand as well, and to be honest, I like the way this one came out better than this one, but it is what it is. The last thing I'm gonna do is put some cuticle oil on my cuticles, obviously, and I'm gonna be using this Ades New York Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials cuticle oil. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just do that real quick. And that, guys, is my nails. This is how I do my nails at home. Yeah, I like this hand better. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. I don't know what all that is, but whatever. Hands are shiny as crap, but it's a good thing because, you know, they look nice and healthy. Anyways, also subscribe if you enjoyed this video because I will be putting out more content. So yeah, I hope you all have a great day, great evening, whenever it is that you're watching this, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.